If you are using the desktop version of the Evernote application, then you have access to the menu bar right here on the top. So they're the same options that you would get from the user interface of the main Evernote area, but in the desktop you have quick access to them just by clicking on the file menus right here. If I were to go on to the file menu, then here you can see that I have an option to create a new note, new notebook, new task, and new tag over here as well. And here you can see that options such as export note as PDF is accessible right from over there, so that you have the export as PDF option pop up just like that. If you were to go to edit, then you got the access to basic functions such as undo and redo, cut, copy, paste, match and style, and sets notes and switch note, as you can see right here. If you were to go to view, then here you can see that you can go around and move back right here just like this, and you can go around, go for zoom out right here, zoom in. You can turn on full screen right here and get back right here, as you can see, and show the note count in the sidebar and so forth right here. You can also go around and change from dark mode right here, maybe let's say for example from dark mode to light mode from over here as well, if you prefer dark mode. If you were to go to notes right here, then you have an option to share notes, edit tag, and all of the note options right here, like print note, note history, and so forth, as you can see right over here. If you were to go to window, then you simply got the close and minimize option for the application itself. And if you were to go to the tool, you can access the account info and the settings right here, as you can see. On the help section, you can go around and access out keyboard shortcuts and view different help sections of the application. So that is how you can go around and access the desktop app menus inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.